today I'm about to be eating these kiwi slice sheet masks, or it's like kiwis. I think it's like kiwis or kiwi flavor. Yeah. So I'm about to try these for like a product review. So yeah, we about to eat this thing. Here we go. Oh yeah. I don't know, it smells kind of funny. Oh, it's all slippery. It looks kind of like all soapy and shit. I don't know. I don't know about this, y'all. I don't know about this. It's really thin. Oh, listen. Oh yeah. It's dripping. It's all wet. Bone apple titty. It's kind of spicy. It's kind of spicy. Fuck, we doing it. Oh, there you go. Who would make this? We gonna try another one. Maybe it's the first one. The first one was just bad. It was a bad batch. Okay. Just throw it right in. Just throw it in the hole. Just throw it in there. Just throw it in there. Just throw it in there. 1, 2. No, I can't do it. Okay. I can't get it down. I can't get it down. I can't get it down. I can't swallow it. It burnt. No. That was disgusting. We just gonna go for the whole thing. I can't pussy food around. I can't do it. So we just gonna go for the whole enchilada. It's all slimy and sticky. Just dripping. We gonna throw this whole thing in there. Okay, so if I don't panic, it's gonna be all right. If I don't panic, it's gonna be okay. It's all slimy. This is just. Okay. Oh shit, there's somebody parked next to me. My bottle is wild. My mouth is numb. Am I allergic to kiwi? It came from my tongue. Hi. Oh God, that was gross. Okay, let me know in the comments what I should try next. These are not the business. These are not the business. It's disgusting, okay? Wait. So no, hold on, wait. Apply individual slice sheet mask to face using as many pieces as needed. Leave on for up to 20 minutes. Massages excess serum into. Wait, what? For external use only. This was made in Korea. Wait. North or south? So skin tone. What the fuck was on that? Was that hair? What? Oh shit! People looking. I think I need to call the CDC. Shit.